And here's the Palace Hotel, just to the right of us. You guys have fun. Ciao. So does. Thank you.
Now also notice how there is no bird poop at the top of City Hall.
Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
Museum. Now the museum is free to visit. It is, however, closed on...
I cannot believe
Thank you for enjoying that. Apparently it's too early for O.J. Simpson jokes for everybody else. I was not aware 15 years I thought was plenty of time. No, I don't see the Bushman out today. I think it might be too hot for him. We've got a new Bushman. The original Bushman died about 3 months ago. He died of a heart attack, sort of appropriate for him. He sat out here behind a bush and waited for you to walk by, drop down the bush and went, "Bruh!" and then died of a heart attack. So... it's like, well, I mean, he would have wanted to go out that way. It's what he did. He made $75,000 a year doing this. He did not have another job. He got audited by the IRS after going on, I believe it was either Jay Leno or Letterman, and he outed himself. He said that he made $75,000, and the IRS was like, oh, really? Because you only...
Abigail, that got you off. Thank you. You left me there alone. Thank you.
Survival. Survival.
Abigail,
This guy's videotaping the whole.
That was good.
You come on YouTube.
That was good.
Block your shot.
No, it ain't. Don't believe her. I'm gonna get you a tablet.
Nobody said potato this time. I'm very proud of you. Right on. Upstairs, you didn't eat, alright? Upstairs.
Christmas list who love airplane-themed merchandise. And now 14,000 Victorians survived this side of Van Ness Avenue, west of Van Ness Avenue, in the Cal Hollow Pacific Heights and here in the Alamo Square districts. And the three-site were all new, and in fact many hapless folks turned out of the Victorians as soon as they installed the facility. And so next stop coming up is our Alamo Square. So stop in the next block, anyone to Alamo Square? Alamo Square here? I have no one upstairs to Alamo Square. Let's go. And if you don't see us, let my driver know if you'd like to hop off at Alamo Square. And so on the right, Ida Wells High School, where the local kids go to school, and this mosaic sits in front of us, Gumby Park and the Pacific Ocean. This Temple of Music featured in the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's. On the right, this is the DeYoung Museum, featuring the Georgia O'Keeffe exhibit. And tunnels going underneath the roadway, walkways underneath. The Garden of Enchantment on the right. On the right here, Parada Ventidos is a Puerto Rican restaurant on the corner of Cha 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 with delicious sangrias. And on the left here, America's Rock Stars behind us, Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix, Jerry Garcia.
It's far to walk from the shopping street.
Powell Market. Oh, you mean Hayes Valley?
Classic clothing. Rachel Clothing. Oh, we're supposed to go shopping for tie-dye. On the right there, there's Jerry Garcia, Janis Joplin, and the young Joe Hunt. Oh, I love that dinosaur on the right from folks downstairs. On the left here, that is Jimi Hendrix, and that's his famous Red House. Right above the Ashbury Tobacco Center. This is actually a much safer place to be in San Francisco with our earthquakes because this is bedrock. On the right, a line of stick Victorians and wooden owls, not just because we're Harry Potter fans, but also because of the natural predators of pigeons. Yeah, and so there's a huge string of folks coming to this area. And lots of just smaller pieces, such as that one on the right there. Those are colors and rainbows, of course. We are seeing.
The island's natural beauty. Discover the secrets of its historic gardens. And keep an eye out for abundant bird life on the rest of the island, and is available for purchase on the boat and on Alcatraz. Violation of federal law. It's important to note that to reach parts of the island and the cell house on foot, you will encounter steep grades. The National Park Service and the Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy wish you a safe and enjoyable visit.
They knocked it down. They built the prison. The prisoners themselves built the prison. They built it with the wrong materials. They built it the wrong way. To this day, we spend millions of dollars just keeping that prison from falling down. And then they built that building up above during the prison years, the military prison years, and those were barracks for the military. Now, 1934 comes about.